Good morning guys! Ito yung namin, breakfast. May fruit, strawberry, dragon fruit. May egg, rice, juice, and bacon. Good morning! Thank you!
Did you make rice for anybody else?
Ito yung view dito. Manila Bay. Yung sa harap namin, yan may Diamond Hotel. And Manila Ocean Park there, the H2O Water Hotel. Ito yung view namin. Sa baba, may swimming pool. Nasa 20 to 20. Manila Bay. Thank you sa laging nanonood ng aking video. Sorry sa short videos also. Maraming salamat and thank you so much 6,000 subscribers. I love you all. God bless and be safe everyone. Bye for now.